turning managers into leaders, helping people shine.
What if sharing one success story could inspire breakthroughs across your organization? Storytelling isn't just for inspiration, it's a proven way to build trust, break down silos, and foster collaboration across teams. A storytelling workshop provides a platform for reflecting on achievements, learning from others, and creating opportunities to build team connections. So here's how you can design a storytelling workshop for your organization that highlights the power of teamwork and drives alignment. Begin by clarifying the workshop's purpose. Are you aiming to celebrate recent successes, uncover best practices, or strengthen interdepartmental relationships? A focused goal ensures every participant leaves with actionable insights. You might highlight, for example, how sales and operations work together to meet a challenging client request, or how marketing and IT streamlined a campaign launch. These stories not only celebrate success, but also show how storytelling can build team connections by showcasing what's possible through collaboration. Choose teams or individuals with impactful stories that showcase cross-departmental success. Look for examples where teams overcame challenges, solved problems creatively, or aligned on shared goals. To help your storytellers prepare, encourage them to focus on a specific challenge and how collaboration resolved it. Be sure to include details that make the story relatable and actionable. And be sure to keep the presentation to less than 5 to 7 minutes. For instance, a storyteller might share how finance and product development collaborated to stay under budget while meeting tight deadlines. Stories like this not only inspire, but they also demonstrate how teamwork can build team connections across departments. Be sure to design the workshop to be interactive and engaging. Start by explaining the role of storytelling in fostering collaboration, and then create opportunities for discussion and reflection. So here's a suggested format. Have an introduction where you briefly explain the purpose of the workshop and it's focused on shared success. Then the storytelling, allocate 5 to 7 minutes per storyteller to present their story. And then finally, facilitate group discussions to explore lessons learned and their relevance to other teams. To keep everyone engaged, consider using small breakout groups for the discussions. These discussions will not only reinforce the lessons shared, but also help teams build connections with one another because it encourages participants to exchange ideas and experiences. After the stories, lead a big group discussion to identify common themes and challenges and successful strategies. If you document these insights, you will create a resource for improving future collaborations. So again, just as examples, you might notice that teams excelled when they had clear communication channels. You might discover that shared tools like project management software played a critical role in alignment. Someone might observe that early involvement of all stakeholders prevented miscommunication. These are the kind of patterns you'll see, and highlighting these patterns helps participants see the bigger picture and apply some proven approaches to their own projects. Wrap up the workshop by thanking participants and summarizing the key takeaways. Emphasize how the lessons shared can drive future success, and be sure to encourage participants to commit to one specific action to improve collaboration in their teams, whether it's adopting a best practice or scheduling a cross-departmental meeting or identifying a shared challenge to tackle together. For one last final reflective activity, ask each participant to write down one insight from the workshop they'll apply immediately. This ensures that the workshop will end on a forward-thinking and an actionable note. Storytelling workshops are really more than celebrations. They're tools for learning, connection, and building trust. By creating a space to share successes and uncover best practices, you can inspire teams to collaborate more effectively and build those team connections that lead to greater alignment. So I hope you're going to start planning your storytelling workshop today so you'll drive collaboration and celebrate your organization's shared achievements. This is Merge Gupta-Sunderji with a Merge Management Moment.
Turning managers into leaders,